Hi. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to get transparent backgrounds in Canva. Before we get started though, I should mention that you do need a pro account to have transparent backgrounds. So unfortunately, if you have a free account, this isn't going to work for you. With that being said, let's take a look at the picture here. Basically, I want the white section to be transparent. And to ensure that happens, you got to make sure that there's no shapes or images over this area. It needs to be exposed directly to the background. And if you click on the background, you need to make sure that the color is not a gradient. Any of the gradients will not be converted to transparent. You can choose any of the solid colors though. If you want to use blue, red, whatever makes your design easier to work with, you can choose that. But for this video, I'm just going to click white. Now let's go up to share, choose download, and you'll need to make sure you pick a file type that supports transparent background. So that's PNG or SVG, depending on what you need. I'll just keep it to PNG for this video. Next, you click on transparent background and then click download. Now I'll open it up on my computer and there you go. It's now a transparent background and that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.